Well, the 47 Dodge was making a slight knocking noise on tickover, so we had the engine opened up, dismantled, and after a relatively expensive operation and time consuming, we didn't really find anything. It seems that just one piston had some slight movement in it, but apparently was well within tolerances, so everything was left, and I decided not to spend any more money investigating I don't know what, because everything seemed to be fine. So that is the little engine that's causing the knocking noise. Let's have a look. Choke out, ignition on. Oh. I keep forgetting that the radio is fixed on this and comes on. Came on quite quickly, really. Right. Well, the knocking noise only happens at very low idle and also only when the engine's cold. Other than that, it's quite smooth. The engine seemed to be in perfect condition, everything seemed to be fine. Crank, pistons and everything. So I've just left it. We'll see what happens. Mind you, the speeds that I drive it at and the distances are not that great, so everything should be alright, I hope.